Hi guys, it's Mokobe here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to enable save data on X, which was formerly known as Twitter. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into your Twitter account, that's your X account. Once you're there, you click on your profile. After which you click on what settings and support. Once you're there, you click on what settings and policy. After that, you scroll down and you click on what display and language. Once you're there, you are going to see data user. You click on it. After that, you are going to see save data. You simply click on it, enable it. So guys, that is actually the way you enable save data on X. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.